Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and the Crack Turbo Beaver from Twisted Hobbies / RC Factory here in Europe. And I've only done the maiden flight with this. It was a bit sketchy. I think it was tail heavy, and I'm not even sure what I flew it on. I think it was 2S. I got a 3S now, and it seems to balance way better. So let's get it in the air and see what we can do with it today. Let's go. Okay, fingers crossed everything goes well. Let's see. Oh, definitely better. Need to trim it a bit. Oh, too much. Ooh. Okay, maybe it's a good idea to trim it up higher. Not this low. Wow, look at that rudder turn. Okay, it's a bit better now. No gyro active. I do have a Lemon RX gyro in this, but it was wonky on the maiden, so it's off now. Okay, now it's just the stabilization, but without the safe. Woohoo! Okay, this is a lot better. I've fallen in love with the MXS-C from Twisted Hobbies, so I had to try this again, and it's just as fun. It doesn't have the crazy, okay, let's go to high rates, the crazy surface movement of the MXS-C, but it's a bush plane after all. And man, does it fly nice. Now that I've got it pretty much dialed in. Oof. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Okay, I think something happened with the prop. Or the O-ring. Or who knows. I built this, so I'll build this lot set assembled. Let's see what went wrong. Oh, that's something I haven't had happen before. Looks like prop came off. Still held on by the O-ring, but let's see. I'll try to put it back on and see if I can fly it again. Well, it looks like the O-ring was a bit too long and too loose for this prop and motor. But last time I had issues with these O-rings, I went and bought a pack of them from the hardware store. Just 50 cents or something like that. I have the smaller one. I'll try to put it on. I also checked the battery voltage. It's right at 3.8, so I won't be flying it anymore. I don't have another one with me. But wow, that was great. I really enjoyed this flight. Too bad it ended so abruptly. But maybe I'll try a larger battery. This was 450. The next size I have is 850. But maybe I'll give it a go. See what it does. I'll try to get this O-ring back on, and for sure I'll fly this again. It's an amazing plane. Maybe add a tail wheel. That would help with taking off, taxiing. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.